How to add or remove widgets on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, on your home screen, scroll down to the page where you have your widgets in, and now once you are in the widgets section, simply tap hold on the widget that you want to remove, and in the menu that appears you will see the option for remove widget. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on remove again, and with this the widget will be removed. And if you want to add a widget, then simply tap hold on the home screen and you will see the edit option on the top left of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the add widget option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the widgets that you can add on your iPhone's home screen. So go ahead and choose your preferred widget and also choose the preferred style for your widget and tap on it. Further, tap on the add widget option, and with this, as you can see, the widget has been added to my home screen. So this is how you can add or remove widgets on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.